Here's a certified 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLA. This GLA is the perfect mix of flexibility, fuel efficiency, and fun, with engineering that delivers capability, luxury, and class-leading innovation. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, dual zone climate control, Embrace 2 external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, driver and passenger memory seats, and auto shift manual transmission. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,